How to apply for RBC Royal Bank of Canada credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process of applying to RBC credit card is quite straightforward, so let's get started with the steps. Step 1 would be to head over to any of your preferred browser and go to royalbank.com. Once you go to the RBC's official website, log in using your credentials. For this, tap on the sign in button, provide your client ID and then the password to get logged in. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines, that is the menu, or from the home page you can directly tap on the credit cards option. This way you can see different kinds of credit cards. You can either browse for available cards, or an easier way would be tapping on the button help me choose a credit card. This way you will have to answer some of the questions that is regarding your type of credit card. Select how you want to be rewarded and choose different options as the questions are asked. Make sure to provide accurate information for being the best card suggested. So you can scroll down through different kinds of cards suggested and see the card details as well. Before applying, make sure that you have understood about the different cards and their details. Once you have understood, you can tap on Apply Now button. Now that if you are an existing RBC client, you can enter your client card, username and password to log in. If you are not an RBC client, tap on No and proceed with entering your personal details. Those could include your personal information and then financial details as well. This is about your rent, mortgage payment, housing type and how long you have lived at your current address. Also enter your social security number to complete the application. All these details you can submit your application for RBC credit card. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.